8, 9. Good now. What? Good now. Very awesome through.
What do you got?
Contacts in the alley. Got no eyes on them. They keep spraying blind.
Well, watch the sniper tower.
I got no angle on it.
No angle?
I know. Head down the farm. We got no eyes on me. They'll keep popping out.
What do we have out here?
Nobody's moving to kitchen. I got no targets out there.
What about our team?
I don't think we have any men out there.
What happened to Ratchet and Ratchet?
Ratchet was behind that barricade last I saw. He must have got him. He must have ran a flag in.
Copy that.
We got a flag at Blue Park.
Sniper tower and a couple in the kitchen, but he's got him suppressed pretty good.
Okay.
Biggest worry is that sniper tower.
Roger that. Alright, I'm going for airborne.
Where is it?
Laying down next to that building with the black flag.
The tarp?
I can't see shit because my goggles are fogged, so I might as well just run the flag. Alright, so
I can put fire on that tower.
yeah, I want you guys to cover fire. I know there's somebody in front of the kitchen outside.
Oh, outside up here?
Yeah.
Alright,
so
yeah.
if one of you guys can fire there,
Ratchet?
one of you guys suppress sniper hole.
You get the sniper hole, I'll get the guy.
Alright.
Lemon, let us know.
Alright, we're going on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3.